Look, this is my account, y'all. $600 profit. And here's that technical analysis everybody wants and lives for as a trader. Wow, second video 2020, back with some consistency this time. So, why I quit trading. Future cannot be predicted. Timing the market is not possible. And unlimited risk possibilities. Stay tuned. So, you saw a picture, right, of how I made about $600 profit. And that's good over, time where I last traded versus up until like my last trade. And this is not to say that I quit altogether. Like, I will never do it again, but actively trading, doing 2 to 3 hours a day, looking at charts, it's not going to work. No. So, starting with future, we have the technical analysis. The trend is your friend until it ends. 10 seconds ago, we were in a bull market, but in the next 10 seconds, we do not know what is going to happen. We have trends, yes, and that is something that you can use as far as daily, weeklies. I understand that. And this is not to discourage my traders, and this is, again, not financial advice, but we have to understand that the future will not be possible to predict. You can have a system where it works on probabilities of future, but to say I'm going to risk 100% of my capital into this trade because I know it's going to go up, it goes down, and your account goes down with it. So we just got to make sure we don't know that we can predict the future. Number 2, timing. You can predict that it's going to go up. And as an investor like myself, I am buying weekly and every week to get more stock, but I know in the future, 20 years from now, if Apple is not at a higher value, if Microsoft is not at a higher value, there will be some very strange outcome. And it's even money for my retirement. So it's just buying then. So I have the trend in set, but I'm not timing it at all. I'm dollar cost averaging, right? Dollar cost average, because you do not know what's going to happen. To time the market, you'd have to buy at lows, sells at highs, sell at tops, buy to recover your short. It's just so hard to try and time it, even though you know your trend. And finally, the risk with trading. You have unlimited risk. Do not, you got your stop losses, you got all this and that, or even position sizing. But there are times where you're emotionally not ready, where you're doing too much in your regular life, your mind is not clear. You end up doing a trade, you lose on that trade with your stop loss, then you get mad and want a revenge trade, and then you have no stop loss. It goes down. You hope it goes down further. You're out of money, and the market was very happy. The market survives off of dumb money, and we're not dumb individuals. We are just retail money versus those hedge funds and who knows what algos and stuff. So you're trading against algorithms, headline news, veteran traders, trading rooms, like as far as actual professionals trading together, central banks, the federal government. I mean, billionaires. It's too much trying to squeeze the money out actively. What I would say, if I were to try and actively trade again, what really works for me is if I trade, do well, stop for a month, stop for 2 to 3 weeks, then trade again in short bursts. But as far as trying to just jam that market, no. I mean, one time I made 1,000 off Amazon during Black Friday, and I'm like, okay, I know it's gonna go up. Let me go ahead and put some of my money. I ain't put my whole account. I got some of that, flipped it, and then sold. And it's possible. But soon after, I had lost on some trades, and my risk appetite was not there. And on top of that, I was just moving jobs, so it was too much going on mentally. So risk, I don't have the appetite for it, so I'm out and moving jobs. So right now I'm like super duper chill on trades. Like I'm so for real. Made a little bag off AMD, like $10 or so, but as far as actively trading, that is behind me, and I'm trying to go further in that side income role with the YouTube, with investing in like, other little things. So please, this is just my journey on why I quit actively trading. But you will see me from time to time get a little bag and then run because the market trying to stay is not for you. When 90 to 93% of traders are wiped in 90 days. It's the rule of 390s. You got 90 days in the market. You're going to have 90% of your traders lose 90% of their money. It's just that easy, y'all. So please just, if you're a Forex soldier or you selling trading education, I'm not coming for y'all. Really just saying why I quit trading and why I have more power to the people who still stay in the market. All right, peace.